This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 78. Consistency fails without safety. Why discipline collapses under threat. Consistency is often treated as a personality trait. You either have it or you don't. You are disciplined or you are not. Biologically, this is inaccurate. Consistency is not a mindset, it is a nervous system outcome. When the body perceives threat, energy is allocated to short-term survival, reacting, adapting, monitoring, conserving. There is no surplus for repetition. Consistency requires predictability. Predictability requires safety. Without safety, every action is evaluated as a risk. So the system improvises, pushes, stops, starts again. Not because you are unreliable, but because protection is still active. Discipline collapses when effort feels dangerous. The body asks, will this cost me too much? Will this drain me again? Will this lead to pain? If the answer is unclear, consistency breaks. When safety increases, something changes. Repetition no longer signals danger. Effort no longer triggers defense. Action becomes neutral. This is when consistency appears. Not forced, not dramatic, just sustainable. Consistency is what the body allows when it trusts tomorrow. Safety comes first, consistency follows. Next episode. Why willpower works short term and fails long term. Thank you.